Number 3 in our series of Maxim integrated kit unboxings, we are looking at the MAX77680 EV kit. And this is an evaluation kit for a low-power chip for wearable tech and more. Fortunately, although the chip is incredibly tiny, this PCB itself is quite rugged. As before, we can see the little chip right in there. And you've got a bunch of extra jumpers and switches to help you test out your application before it goes into a final product. Let's take a look at the specs. The MAX77680 integrates a flexible power sequencer to control the power up and power down order of each output, and default output voltages and sequences can be programmed at the factory. An I2C serial interface is used to further configure the device. It's quite similar to the 640, and on this board, it'll emulate system loading with onboard electronic loads for the SIMO buck boost outputs. And the electronic load has steady state, transient, and random modes to put your application through its paces. If you're curious about other possibilities with this chip family, check out the previous ones we've done on the 640 and 650 in this series. Stay tuned for more in the Maxim SIMO series.